We are here this week for Extension Master Gardener College, and the Extension Master Gardener program is one of the volunteer programs that's part of Virginia Cooperative Extension. So our Extension Master Gardeners are specially trained through their local extension offices. They go through about 50 hours of training and then an internship, and then they volunteer in their communities around horticulture and gardening and natural resources, and really teaching people how to take care of the land.
I'm a lifelong volunteer, and I wanted to volunteer in a program and something I really enjoy doing, and gardening was a good fit. So for me, foremost, it was to volunteer, and we get to educate people about gardening, which happens to be a passion of mine.
These volunteers then come for our annual conference called Master Gardener College. And so this conference is really a chance to bring together all Master Gardeners from the state of Virginia for a continuing education conference to dive a little bit deeper into really interesting topics.
You also get to hear excellent speakers that are nationally renowned, that are academic all-stars in their professions. And you find that these folks are very approachable. They're not sitting on a mountaintop. They're mixing with the folks.
Virginia Tech and Virginia State University are Virginia's land-grant universities, and Cooperative Extension was formed as the connection between the university and the people that those universities are building those research for. So they're really the connection historically between the university and the farmer, but Extension has grown to be much more than just serving the farmers, but we serve all citizens of Virginia. We have over 5,000 volunteers in the state of Virginia that are Extension Master Gardeners. So our volunteers give hundreds of thousands of hours collectively each year and make contact with hundreds of thousands of people in the state of Virginia. Master Gardener College is an annual event, so this is our first event back on campus in 4 years and our first in-person event in 3 years. So everyone is really excited to be back on campus, back at Virginia Tech.